guys, welcome back to Yans and Shans. Today I'm going to show you one of my systems called the aius system. Welcome to the aius system. aius is a dense A-type star, as you can see here. A-type stars are white in color, and if you want some scale, then here's aius. Aius compared to the sun. So aius, as you can see, is this white star, and the sun is over here. So it's way bigger than 3 times bigger than the sun. Because the star is so dense, it is actually 1000 times more massive. So the first planet is called Kaina. If you go here, it looks like a star, but it's not. It's just a very hot gas giant. See, you can see it's not a star. It's not a star orbiting aius. It's a planet orbiting aius. So it is a planet. Okay, next is Nereis, a very unusual planet. This is a bit large, weird planet. And what makes it very weird is that it has an underground water ocean and a carbon dioxide ocean. As you can see, this white and blue thing underneath the surface. Our next planet is Curin. Next planet is Curin. It's very white because it's covered in a layer of water vapor. It has a life likelihood of 0.6%, but that's actually pretty low. The next planet is Nereia, which is basically a Venus-like world, but which is bluer, more water, and also way bigger. Okay, next planet is a habitable one. So this planet name is Taran. So Taran is a bit bigger than Earth and has a stronger magnetic field. And I'm just checking the life likelihood. The life likelihood is at 70.5%. It doesn't have any moons, but the next planet, no matter what, is Haranget. Haranget is a metallic moon which is used as for an intelligence, which is used as a garbage dump for intelligent civilizations. It has a very eccentric orbit. And then the next planet is called Geron. As you can see, it's a pretty big system. This Geron is just a very frozen world. On its poles, there's no ice. So the next planet is Oru, which is a gas giant with one moon. This moon is called Antora. It's a habitable moon. And let's just check the life likelihood. It's 62.1, which is a bit lower than Taran, but it is pretty high. So the next planet is called Pelta. Pelta is a very big planet. So it has two moons, Moret, which is very hot, and it has a very low chance of life, and Peria. It has 0% chance of life, has a lot of water, and is also very hot like Moret, but probably not as hot as Moret itself. These are hot because of tidal heating. Lemana is a very hot gas giant. It has two moons, Esta, which is a frozen world, and Ivor, which is a small gas giant. Not small, it's bigger than Uranus or Neptune. It is quite small. Turnus is a ringed gas giant with a habitable moon named Mora. So let's just check the life likelihood on this. The life likelihood is 75%, which is very high. So the next planet is Isana. Wait, did I miss any? Isana is a big gas giant with over 2 moons. Onera, which is a habitable moon, and Nonia, which is a frozen moon with an ocean underneath the ice. Next planet is Curie, which is one of the last planets. It's a rocky world with ocean somehow, and it has an atmosphere of helium. It has a very low chance of still has some chance of life though. And then the last planet, or you can call this, it's called a star, but it's supposed to be a brown dwarf. Where is it? There is it, Serenor. Serenor is basically a star, but it's more to be a planet. So there's a one planet called Axis, which is a habitable planet of this brown dwarf. Let's see the life likelihood. Come on. There's a strong magnetic field. Yeah, 61.7, pretty high. So as you can, this is Axis, and then the other planet that's orbiting this is Mina, which is like this very red gas giant. It looks very red, but when you look here and see, it even has a small percent of life, which is very unusual for gas giants. The highest I've ever got a gas giant to have life is 4%. So anyways, I hope you like this system. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.